Good morning, this is Dr. John Huang, West Chase Wellness Chiropractic Center. I'm going to demonstrate what an applied kinesiology adjustment looks like. Here we go. This patient, I have adjusted him several times with the applied kinesiology, and basically we're going to find an area that needs one adjustment. Right now, we're looking for a muscle. So it's the neck. Right now we're going to adjust the neck. When he turns his left, I found that where I want to be at is right here around C3, C4, C4 to be exact. We're going to adjust that neck. One of the most important things I like to do is to get the patient relaxed a little bit. I stay relaxed, and then I could perform a better adjustment.
Yeah.
That was a good one. Now we're going to verify his leg length is even or not, and his left leg is short. When the body have a short left leg, it's kind of confused. He doesn't know how to re-heal itself. So can you have you turn to your left? Turn your head to your right. So when he did that, he's make his left leg even. So I'm gonna go see what he needs, what area need to be adjusted. It is his low cervical around C5, C6 area. Very good. Let's see if I got that. A lot of time, a lot of patient works in front of a computer for a long day and every day, and people who spend in front of a computer lose track of time, and they get a lot of stiffness in the neck, and the lower back has a broad relationship. When the neck goes out, the back goes out, and they both have neck pain and the lower back pain. And if your neck's position, put your hand like this, and if your neck is out of alignment, next thing you know, my shoulder hurts, my wrist hurts, my hand bothers me, and all that's affect. And then they compensate when they stand, they compensate when they're sleeping at night. Next thing you know, he's sleeping kind of crooked. Oh, my arm's hurting at night, and it's a circle event. We have to
Describing me to a T.
we try to correct that by fixing the layer of compensation. That's what applied kinesiology does very good at. Now I'm looking for any place that requires him to require the adjustment that's kind of associated to his neck. That's what we're kind of looking at. I kind of lift his hip up to see if there's any adjustment needed, and I lift this up, and his arm becomes strong. So I know that's what you need. I'll come and check the level of vertebrae and verify where is it at. So on the bottom of his back, I'm pushing upwards, and I feel this is where he needs it. Turn and turn that face. So there's always this muscle testing allow us to figure out where the spine needs to be adjusted. So now we know where we need to be adjusted. Breathe in, breathe out. That was awesome. Are you back, Gary? Let me check one more time before we move another bone to see if he needs to be adjusted on the other side. I'm going to see if this size guy is satisfied from the adjustment. And let me see if this is no more. Oh, it just showed up on this side now. I'm kind of come. It's actually on the other side. So Gary, come on this side. Before I adjust him, I'll make sure I validate if he needs the other side adjustment. So it did show that he needs it. Yeah. Oh, that was a good one on your back face up. Same time as I see a patient, I'm looking at fingernails, I'm looking at any white spot, if there's any malnutrition somewhere, and look at the skin. Just kind of observe what's happening to the patient the whole time they're here. So you typically have a shoulder issue also. I'm just scanning now to see if his body needs my help. So that's so far so good. Just seeing if anything else he needs. So we're going to do what we call hug adjustment, and we'll hug him and adjust him now. Thank you.
Yeah.
This is one of his favorite adjustments. He loves that.
Love a good hug.
A good hug. It really moves the upper back very well when you do that. Well, this is kind of how we adjust using applied kinesiology adjustment here in my office.